Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Notion with ChatGPT. Alright, let's begin. First, log into both your Notion and ChatGPT accounts. You'll need access to both for the integration to work. Next, open your browser and search for ChatGPT to Notion Marketplace. Click the official link from the marketplace. This will take you to the ChatGPT to Notion integration page. Click Add Extension to Notion. You might be prompted to enter your email for newsletter updates. Click No Thanks if you don't want that. Then proceed with the extension installation. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, click the extensions icon in your browser and pin the ChatGPT to Notion tool. Now open it and connect your Notion account. Next, choose which pages you want the extension to access. Select Select Pages, choose your desired workspace, and click Allow Access. Inside Notion, create a new database. Click the plus button, Search Database, and choose Table View. Name your table, e.g. Test Table, and then add a property called URL. Set its type to text. Back in ChatGPT, click the Notion icon, select your database, and start saving conversations directly. So that's basically how you can connect Notion with ChatGPT. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.